How to download and install Telegram app on Android phone. Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install the Telegram app on your Android phone. So if you want to start using Telegram for chatting, groups, or channels, just follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Without internet, the download won't work. Now, open the Google Play Store on your phone. You can usually find it on your home screen, or if not, just swipe up and search for the Play Store app. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type in Telegram. Then hit search. You'll see the official Telegram app appear at the top. It's usually called Telegram Messenger with a paper airplane logo. Tap on it. Next, tap the Install button. The app will start downloading, and once it's finished, it will automatically install on your device. After it's installed, you can open it directly from the Play Store by tapping Open. Or you can find the Telegram icon in your app drawer or on your home screen. Now, open Telegram, enter your phone number, and follow the on-screen steps to verify it. Once that's done, you can set up your profile and start chatting with your friends, join groups, or follow channels. And that's it. That's how you download and install Telegram on your Android phone in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials and Android tips.